When you're helping a customer choose a table base for a restaurant or hospitality space, one of the smartest upgrades you can recommend is Oak Street's stamped steel bases. They're engineered specifically for commercial environments where strength, stability, and long-term reliability really matter. One of the biggest advantages of stamped steel is how strong and consistent it is compared to cast iron. Cast iron bases might look solid, but the material is actually softer and more brittle. Under heavier weight or repeated impact, they can fracture or crack. Stamped steel doesn't have that problem. It delivers excellent load strength and holds its shape over time, which means fewer failures and fewer service issues down the road. Installation is also much easier. These bases use a simple two-piece construction, so crews can assemble them quickly and efficiently. The top plate is fully welded to the column, which creates a very rigid connection between the base and the tabletop. On top of that, the top plate measures 11 inches by 11 inches, which is larger than many competing bases. That extra surface area helps distribute weight better and adds even more stability and durability. Another area where Oak Street really outperforms the competition is how the column attaches to the foot. The column has a welded anchor plate and a welded nut, so the foot is secured using a short bolt with a flat and lock washer. This creates a tight, secure connection that stays locked in place. Many competing bases use a long threaded rod instead, and over time that rod can torque, stretch, and loosen when force is applied. Once that happens, the base can become permanently unstable. Oak Street's welded fastening system eliminates that problem. You'll also notice a difference in the glide tabs on the base feet. Oak Street uses welded glide tabs with a hollow back design, which greatly reduces the chance of having a defective glide tab. That's something you simply can't achieve with cast iron bases. In the field, this means smoother installs, fewer damaged components, and fewer callbacks. From a sizing standpoint, stamped steel bases are available in 3 standard heights, not including the tabletop. Standard height finishes at 28.75 inches, counter height finishes at 34.75 inches, and bar height finishes at 40.75 inches. Columns are available in both 3-inch and 4-inch diameters, giving customers flexibility to match the look and performance requirements of the space. There's also a lot of flexibility when it comes to base styles and footprints. Customers can choose from cross bases in sizes ranging from 22 by 22 inches all the way up to 40 by 40 inches. Disc bases are available in 18-inch, 22-inch, and 30-inch diameters. For booths, wall runs, or tight layouts, T or N bases are available in 5 by 22-inch and 5 by 30-inch sizes. In addition, Oak Street offers ADA-compliant bases for use with 30 by 48 tops. These bases use a T or N base with a modified top plate to achieve ADA compliance. For more information about ADA requirements, please visit the resources page on Oak Street's website, oakstreetmfg.com. Overall, stamped steel bases give customers a stronger product, easier installation, better long-term stability, and fewer maintenance headaches compared to cast iron alternatives. It's a dependable solution that performs well in busy commercial environments and protects the customer's investment over time. Thank you for completing this module. You can learn more about our stamped steel table bases and all our quality Oak Street products, capabilities, and resources by going to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG.